we're going to make these incredibly delicious cream cheese cookies that are crispy on the outside and melt in your mouth creamy on the inside. Low carb and keto friendly. So easy, anyone can make them. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add 3 heaping tablespoons or 3 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup softened butter. You'll want the cream cheese and butter at room temperature so that they mix together really smoothly. We're adding 1/2 cup of your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. I prefer using erythritol or monk fruit, but feel free to pick whatever works best for you. Stir until the mixture is sweet and well combined. Add 1 large egg, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that extra touch of flavor. Mix everything together until smooth. We'll add 1/2 cup of coconut flour. Coconut flour gives these cookies the texture of a traditional cookie, but without the carbs. Add 1/2 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Stir the mixture gently until it forms a thick, dough-like consistency. Once your dough is ready, it's time to shape the cookies. In a baking pan with parchment paper. Use a cookie scoop or a spoon to scoop out the dough and roll them into small balls. Don't worry if they're not perfectly shaped. These rustic little bites are what makes them so homemade and delicious. For that classic cookie shape, you can lightly press each ball down with a fork. It gives them that crisp edge that's going to be so satisfying. Cover with another sheet of parchment paper and place in the fridge for 15 minutes to firm up. Bake the cream cheese cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on a traditional oven or at 325 degrees on a convection oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. The goal is to get golden crispy edges. You'll know your cookies are done when they're light golden and your kitchen starts to smell like heaven. Look at that soft, melt in your mouth center. Chill these cream cheese cookies 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Sprinkle a mixture of cinnamon powder and a plant-based sugar substitute for a flavor twist. These cookies are amazingly delicious. You could eat them all day. If you love this recipe, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes made easy.